Okay, this video is about making a mobile power supply. So the first thing you're going to need is a battery. Now I got this battery from a used battery store, and what it is, it's a wheelchair battery. So it's used to doing that cyclic type energy use. So it's used to going down and being recharged, and kind of like a wheelchair. But basically I use this to power some lights that's wrapped around a cross, and I'll show you that here. See, it's a big 8-foot cross, and I'll power that up for you here in a minute. But what you're going to need is obviously this battery and something called a power inverter. That's the easiest way to go about it. I bought this power inverter here at Home Depot for about, I want to say 40 something bucks, 50 bucks. It's 500 watt maximum, and what's cool about this one is it has a power button here, on and off, but when your battery's getting low it will start shining yellow and then red. But once it gets red, at that point the lights start flashing because it's going out and all that. And so that was like about 40-50 bucks. This was about 40 bucks used. And I also picked up a multimeter to test the voltage on the battery, so I know when I'm getting low or when to charge it. Right here I got a battery charger, and the guy recommended that I charge it at 2 amps for about 8 hours. But this one here is pretty old, so I kind of leave it on for 12 hours until I get pretty high voltage on here, and again I just test it with this multimeter. Let me go ahead and power it all up for you guys. Okay, so before I power it up, I'll show you how to connect it. Basically you take the red here, plug it up to the red here, pretty easy. Black here, plug it up to black here, little spark, and our power inverter is ready to go. So I'm going to take my plug for the lights, go ahead and plug that puppy in right here, and I'm just going to go ahead and press the on button. And you can kind of hear the fan running. When I do that, there's our light up cross, nice and lit. Here, I'll go ahead and turn the off button so you can see it. Back on. It's pretty responsive and pretty nice. So yeah, that's the basic setup right there, and just take that with you. I usually can power up this cross for about like 2.5 hours straight, and I love it. Works great. So thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the website. It's a4truth.org. Take care. Bye. Here we are on Bear Valley Road with the cross. We're basically just holding it, and people are responding. If you look over here, we got our battery cable. It's our power supply, and it runs all the way